Hey friends, it is me, Stace. Welcome back to another video. I am so happy you are here. Today we are using our Cricut machine to make this really cute doggy bookmark, or you can do like I did and turn it into a grocery list. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Here we are at the computer. I'm already logged in to Cricut Design Space. I am also on the welcome screen. From here, we're going to go to right below where it says recommended for you. I'm going to go to the far right and click on that arrow. I'm going to click on it again. And I'm going to click on the category of back to school projects. I'm going to click on that category. You'll see everything on this page is back to school. So we have first day of school photo shoots, personalization, teacher gifts, back to school in style. A is for Apple. We have classroom decor, organization, gifts for your student. This is the one I want, the gifts for your student. So the same idea, go to the far right, click on the arrow key, and then one more time, and you will see we have 4 different personalized bookmarks. We have a cat, dog, tiger, and a unicorn. I'm going to click on the dog. It's going to bring up a preview screen. It tells you right here the finished size is approximately 2.1 in width by 6 inches tall. The very bottom, choose Customize. So here's our dog. It does come in group together, so to add your own name to that, you want to right click on it and choose Ungroup. Take the white piece off, right click on the white piece, and then go down to the bottom and choose Detach. And then go back and click on the name. So now just the name is selected, and then double click on that name. And it's going to bring up a text box and just say I want to add Stacy. I'm going to click on that, then click off. You'll see it adds my name there. I don't want to add a name, but that's how you change and add your own name there. So I'm going to delete the text. I'm going to put this piece back over. So as a bookmark, I think 6 inches tall is a good size, but I want to make it bigger. So what I do is I put that piece back. I'm going to highlight everything, right click on that and choose Group. It's selected. I'm going to go to the top toolbar where the size is. I'm leaving the lock locked and changing only the height and making this piece be 10.5. So you can see it's much larger. I'm going to right click on it one more time and choose Ungroup. I do want to add a black circle behind the dog face, so I'm going to bring this piece over. On my left hand side toolbar, click on Shapes, click on a circle. I'll bring it over and just use my arrow keys to make it larger. Now if I click on the dog and choose right click and choose Bring to Front, I like that look better, how it has the black behind it. So I'm going to grab both of those and put them over there. Okay, so now we have all 4 pieces. So we have the lighter color brown, the black piece, the white piece, and the darker brown. Upper right hand corner, choose Make It. And you can make this be any size you want to. Now you can see it does ask us to use 4 different mats. I'm going to show you 2 different ways on how to minimize the mats. So if I click on mat number 2, it's our black circle. Number 3 is our darker brown. Number 4 is our lighter brown. So if I click on mat 4, you will see the item here is already selected. You will see we have a rotate button, and then we have a circle with 3 dots. Click on the circle with 3 dots, and it's going to bring up Hide Selected or Move Object. You want to choose Move Object. Now I'm going to move that to the other brown mat by clicking on that and then choosing Confirm. So now this black mat, which is our darker mat color, has both dogs. And the one with the ears is the darker color. So I can move that one over here. So I'm able to cut both of these pieces out on one mat. And I'll do the same for the black and the white. I'll click on mat 2. Again, Move Object. I'll move that to mat 1. Choose Confirm. So now we have our white piece, and our circle is supposed to be black. So I'll bring this down the lower right hand corner. I can put a piece of black cardstock here and a piece of white cardstock there. So you can do that here, or you can go ahead and choose Cancel. Go back to our design area. Right below where it says Make It, go ahead and click on where it says Color Sync, and we can see we have all 4 colors here. So now I can just drag and drop. So I have my dark brown, my white, my black, and my lighter brown. I'll drag the dark brown to the lighter brown, and you'll see that change. Then drag the black to the white. So back up top, click on Make It. So now we went from 4 mats to 1. Just move your circle down here. Again, you can put a scrap of white here and a scrap of black. And then mat number 2, we have the darker brown with the ears. Lighter brown has no ears, so I'll move that one over here and over here. I'm going to click on Continue. I'm going to set my material, and I just choose medium cardstock, and I always like to have my pressure set at more. I'm going to go ahead and cut everything out, go to the table, and we'll put the bookmark together. All right, everything is cut out. Let's go ahead and assemble our dog. So I'm going to first take my black circle and my dog that has the face on it, take my glue. And I'm going to, on the back side of that, just put glue all the way around the facial features here. And take our black circle and go to put that on top of that. All right, isn't that cute? All right, so we have this piece and this piece. I'm going to take this and glue just the head. And I'm using my art glitter glue. I just have it in a fine bottle. So line up that. So now we have just the head attached, because you want to make sure both arms come open. All right, so I'm going to lift it up and just put some glue on the bottom section. And the cardstock I'm using is Paper Tray ink. The darker one is called Dark Chocolate, and the lighter one is called Cocoa Bean. All right, how cute is that? Now, if you want to add this piece, you can go ahead and just tuck it under there. It'll stay there, or you can glue it down. I think it's good for if you have a larger book. You can use it for a bookmark here. I want to use it for a grocery list. So later on, I will add a magnet to the back so I can stick it to my fridge. And I cut paper, that just regular copy paper. This is 2.5 inches by 5.5 inches. So on the fridge, it'll hold that paper just fine. I don't need to glue it. And I'll make my shopping list, take this to the store, and then just cut another piece of paper and put it back under there again. So I always have it on my fridge as a shopping list. So you can use it as a bookmark or as a shopping list. I like it as a shopping list. That's how I would use it. But either way is really cute. And again, to make the shopping list paper is just 2.5 by 5.5. Okay, super cute. All right, so I have a card kit. I do include everything that I use, as well as some paper for you. So you can, if you want to make it this way, you could. To win the card kit, leave me a comment below with a dog emoji, and make sure you watch this coming Saturday's video to see if you won the card kit. Any questions, my friends, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.